Hello friends, welcome to LMS Solution Research Support. In this video, we are going to discuss about an AI tool which is having all the options related with our research paper writing, starting from a chatbot and also the templates. You can upload your paper and do a literature review. All the options are available in a single AI tool. So let us go on to today's video and explore that AI tool and how it will be useful for our research paper writing. Before that, an important announcement from our channel is that we are going to organize an live MATLAB workshop on EV charging station with PV and wind energy sources. So the main objective of this workshop is to familiarize you all with the different types of renewable energy sources used for EV charging station. So in this we are going to model the input as PV and wind energy, and we are going to implement maximum power point tracking techniques to grasp maximum amount of energy from that input renewable energy resources, and then we are going to incorporate it with electric vehicle charging station. So these are the important things we are going to discuss in this workshop. So if you are interested in, don't forget to register our online workshop. The link of the registration will be given in the description of this video. See you on our workshop. Moving on to our today's video, the AI tool what we are going to discuss today is that Ewolve AI. So here you can see this is the AI tool Ewolve AI. So in this AI tool you can see these are the dashboard of this tool. So here you can see this AI writer. So just log in with your mail ID. So here you can see after logged in, so you click on AI writer. So in this AI writer you will be having different types of templates available as like in many of the AI tools. So here you can see that. So post title generator, summarize text article generator, product name generator, problem agitate solution. So like that different types of options as like in many of the AI tools will be generated. So here you can see blog post ideas, blog post intros, blog conclusion, etc., paragraph generator. So like that these are the different AI templates available in many of the AI tools. So here you can see that grammar correction template also available. Eliminate your grammar errors and enhance your writing with your ease. Our tool offers seamless grammar correction and flawless content. So here you can use this kind of tools. So that is templates. So here you can see AI image. So in this AI image you can give an input prompt, then you can generate AI image. So after that this is AI article wizard. So you can generate article. So here you can see what is the article about. So you can give a keyword. So you can generate article in second. So next one is AI chat PDF. So you can upload your document, or you can use your real-time data, whatever you want you can upload. So if you want to upload PDF, you can upload PDF. So and you can chat with PDF as we do in many of the chat with PDF kind of tools. So next one is AI vision. So click on this vision. So here seamlessly upload any image you want to explore and get insightful conversations. So you can have a conversation with image also. So next one is AI rewriter. So this one will be very useful for us to reduce plagiarism in our research paper. So this is AI rewriter. You can rewrite the image. So next one is AI chat image. Seamlessly generate and craft a diverse array of image without ever leaving your chat environment. So image is generated by so you can give an input prompt, so it will generate an image according to the prompt you are giving. So next one is AI chat. So here you can see different types of chatbots are available with different categories. So here you can see that this is a normal chatbot where you can ask any question, any prompt related with your research. So next one is what are the other important chatbots available, that is a specialized chatbot available. All finance expert, nutritionist, career counselor, time management consultant, language tutor, cyber security expert, interior designer, parent coach, fitness trainer, travel advisor, sustainability expert, event planner, chat image, etc. So these are the different types of chatbots available. So after that you can see that this is AI code. So here you can see that you can generate any code you want. So just you can give your input and the language of the code you want to generate. So next one is AI YouTube. So here you can see you can queue a YouTube URL. So and you can convert into a blog post, main idea, create a list, TLDR. So next pros and cons. So you can generate anything you want using this YouTube URL. So next one is AI RSS. So here you can see you can copy and paste the URL. So you can select any language that will be converted. So next one is speech to text, as like in many AI tools you will be having speech to text, voice over, etc. So these are the different options available in this particular Ewolve AI tool. So in this AI tool we can use that some simple things like AI chat PDF. In order to explore the templates in this Ewolve AI, So first I have used this Vision AI. So this will be a fantastic tool where you can convert image into text. So it will analyze the image and it will generate a better text for you. As Googlebot only the better tool which is doing that. So apart from that, it will help you to this Ewolve AI will help you to do that. So here you can see I have uploaded a image. So in order to get a better understanding, so here I am going to show the uploaded image here. So here you can see that this is the image I have uploaded. That is, it's a block diagram of a basic paper, a optimization paper. So MPPT algorithm. So after that, what you have to do is go to Ewolve AI. In this option you can upload image. So your image will be attached here. So give an input prompt like explain the attached image. So just to give explain the attached image. So it will explain what are the components in that image. So here you can see PV array, butterfly optimization, MPPT algorithm, duty cycle, PWM generator, DC to DC boost converter, DC load. So like that it will explain explain that image, that is section wise explanation of that particular image will be done using this tool. So you can make use of this option. So apart from this, it will be having a AI chat. So just click on chat and click on default AI chatbot. So here in this chatbot I am going to explore with some references. So in order to do so, I am going to take any open access paper. So in this I am going to take an open access paper. In this open access paper I am going to take 5 random references. So here you can see this is a review on photovoltaic model failure and degradation, MEG causes and reduction techniques. So here I am going to take a random, that is random references, 5 references. So copy the references and go to that Ewolve AI, paste the references. So from the above references make a literature review and cite every references properly in a paragraph. Yeah, PARAGRAPH paragraph. So and then click enter. So let us see how this chatbot will generate answers for us. So here you can see that as the chatbot is generating answer. So in a comprehensive review of International Renewable Energy Department, that is LIETAL, that is I think it's a first reference. So here it is citing correctly, perfectly. So in APA format. So here you can see it is a APA format. Discuss the growth and outlook of renewable energy sources, emphasizing the importance of green advancing technologies to drive progress in the sector. Next, green explored the significant drop in solar cell prices over the years and analyze the factors contributing to this trend. So like that it also generating a better content only. So you can make use of this option to assist literature review for you. So but always once check at once whenever you are using AI tool to generate a content. So always check at once that the references, by giving a references, the content generated by the AI will correct or not. Just go on and read at once. Just don't blindly copy and paste the content generated from AI. So that is very important. So apart from this, so here I am going to copy the content. Sorry. So copy the content. So and I am going to AI writer. So in this AI writer there are different templates is available. I was very curious about this grammar correction template. So let us see how it will generate answers for us. So just to copy and paste the content here. So just copied only one paragraph only, that is one references only. So here you can select any languages and click on generate. So I am going to give 100. So and then click on generate. So here you can see this is the corrected one. So alternate grammar correction is also given. So in a thorough assessment of global renewable energy development, LIETAL analyzed the expansion of prospects of renewable energy sources, highlighting the significance of technological advancement in propelling advancements in the industry. So like that it is generating the content. So it works out very well. So you can use this option to check for, that is to check that is grammar check for your research paper also. So apart from this, it is having other different types like generating image that we don't want. So this one is AI chat with PDF. So here you can upload your PDF here and you can chat with that particular PDF. So next one is AI rewriter. So let us check that AI rewriter template. So I am going to copy and paste the content. So after that, give as professional. So next select the same English USA and then click on generate. So it will take several seconds to rewrite the content. So here you can see that the content is rewritten, that is the literature review we have made is rewritten here. So here you can see in a thorough examination of a global renewable energy progress, that is LIETAL deliberated on the expansion of prospects and renewable energy sources. So like that it is generating a content for us. So here you can see that it is a rewritten content. So like that you can make use of the option in this Ewolve AI. So very helpful for our research paper writing. So and make your research paper writing simple. The important thing is that you will get 3000 words and 5 images generation for free. So after that you have to go for subscription option using this to use this Ewolve AI. So this is the upgrade plan. So here you can see, so up to 3000 words and 5 images you can use for free. So after that you can see that this is $39 monthly. So you can access all templates, all AI generator, chat GPT 4. So 3 team members can use, save 80 hours or 25,000 word tokens will be given here. So for yearly you can see this $300. So here you can use up to 1000, that is 1,20,000 words token, and it is also being powered by GPT 4 only. So you can make use of this option. Go on and explore with this 3000 words, free 3000 words. So after that you can if the content generated by this Ewolve AI is good and well for your research paper writing, so you can go for subscription option. Hope this video will be very helpful for you. So thank you for watching our videos. Don't forget to subscribe our channel. Have a nice day. Thank you.